Up before dawn, family still asleep, coffee strong. He's headed to the plant where metal is transformed into products for folks throughout this great nation. MORryde's been American-made since 1966. From humble beginnings, we were built on an idea and strong faith in God. Through good times and bad, we've been blessed and are still forging ahead by leading the way in American manufacturing. Every product is crafted by workers who know their trade and take pride in their work. Built here and not overseas. American steel, American hands, and American pride. Like our country, built on foundation of faith, we believe our best days are ahead. Choose MORryde and you're backed by the men and women who build this nation one part at a time. And when the workday's done and the sun sets on another shift, he heads home, hands worn and heart full. Because what he builds at the plant helps build something even greater at home. MORryde, above, beyond, always.